Welcome back to 20 Muscle Cars, your ultimate destination for the latest and most powerful machines on the road. Today, we dive into the all-new next-generation 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser, officially unveiled with the fresh design, enhanced performance, and cutting-edge technology. Toyota takes the legendary Land Cruiser to new heights with a bold and modern exterior. The rugged front grille, sleek LED headlights, and muscular stance reflect its off-road DNA while adding a touch of sophistication. Strong character lines and new alloy wheels complete the powerful look. Inside, the new Land Cruiser offers a premium experience with high-quality materials, a spacious cabin, and advanced technology. The redesigned dashboard features a massive touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heated unventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a premium JBL audio system enhance comfort. With 3-row seating, it ensures a luxurious ride for the whole family. Under the hood, Toyota offers multiple engine options, including a turbocharged V6 and a hybrid variant for improved fuel efficiency without compromising power. The advanced 4WD system, adaptive suspension, and terrain management make it a true off-road beast. Tech features include a fully digital instrument cluster, a head-up display, and Toyota's latest safety sense suite with adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a 360-degree camera system. Enhanced durability and reinforced chassis ensure unmatched reliability. Pricing for the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser starts at around $55,000 for the base model, with higher trims reaching up to $85,000. That's a quick look at the next-generation Land Cruiser. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 20 Muscle Cars for more exciting updates. Stay tuned for the next ride.